Okay, tell us a little bit about yourself before meeting Infinite Wealth. What did your financial future look like?
So prior to meeting with Infinite Wealth, I was quite unsure about my financial future. I know that I wanted to set myself up financially, but I really didn't know what my options are or whether I had any.
Yeah, cool. And what changed when you met Tim and the team at Infinite Wealth?
It just all became possible, and I realised that just by having a plan in place that I could actually obtain and acquire some investment properties.
Awesome. And what has been your experience with Infinite Wealth since becoming a client?
Just everything being really easy and running really smoothly, and just having all the different lots of support with accounting, real estate. It just makes everything really easy.
Yep, cool. And how does your financial future look now?
So much better, hopefully an earlier retirement, and quite an enjoyable lifestyle.
And would you recommend Infinite Wealth to your friends and family? And if yes, why?
Most definitely, and I actually have as well. Why? Because just for the fact that it is actually possible to acquire properties, and the whole process is just made really simple.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Lisa.
Thank you.